Make your 2024 Jeep Gladiator even more hardcore with new AEV off-road packages. AEV has revealed the 2024 Gladiator at the Detroit Motor Show. 2 new trims have been added to the lineup, while all models benefit from enhanced tech, updated styling, and more safety features. Also new for 2024 are the Upfit American Expedition Vehicles, AEV, packages now available for the rugged pickup. The Montana-based specialist has previously worked on similar kits with other brands, such as Chevrolet. 3 distinct packages will be offered to customers. The Upcountry and Upcountry Plus kits can be specified on Sport, Willys, Mojave, and Rubicon models and provide enhanced off-road capabilities thanks to a few choice accessories. Go for the Upcountry bundle, and your Gladiator receives AEV Pintler wheels wrapped in 35-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain tires, a 2-inch suspension kit, Mopar flare extensions, a jack base, ProCal module, and plaque. If you want more, the Upcountry Plus kit introduces several style-enhancing accessories. The mid-spec package builds on the Upcountry kit with an AEV EX front bumper, a non-winch cover plate, and an AEV badge for the tailgate. Overall, ground clearance is increased to 15 inches, while the approach, breakover, and departure angles are now rated at 47, 25, and 33 degrees, respectively. The Gladiator with Upcountry or Upcountry Plus kit can also wade into 35 inches of water without breaking a sweat. Available exclusively on the Gladiator Rubicon trim is the Level 2 upfit. This package receives a front skid plate, AEV 7000 series lights, a worn Xeon 10S winch, and 2.5-inch dual-sport suspension with Bilstein 5100 shocks. Chunkier 37-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain tires and AEV Savager 2 wheels also form part of the package. The Level 2 upfit also includes a trail camera relocation kit and an upgraded steering stabilizer. Rubicon models with the Upfit 2 kit boast even more capability than lesser variants with the Upcountry package. There's an extra inch of ground clearance and water fording ability, while the approach angle has increased to 57 degrees. The angles of the breakover, 26 degrees, and departure, 34 degrees, are also slightly improved. Jeep hasn't listed pricing for the new kits but says customers can place orders through a Jeep dealer later this month. The vehicles will ship from the Toledo-based factory to AEV for the work to be carried out and arrive at the dealer with everything installed. The 2024 Wrangler is also available with the unique AEV packages. This selection of upfit packages for the 2024 Gladiator gives our passionate off-road enthusiasts the option to pick the upfit package that best suits their off-roading adventures, said Jim Morrison, Senior Vice President and Head of Jeep North America.